Okay, we got second test. In in the room temperature is 75, water temperature is 71. And the other lighter won't flick right no more. I changed the flint out, I cleaned the tube where the flint glows and all that, but I had to pull the wick up and it's not working. It did something to it, I ain't sure what. I've changed the flint and all, like I said, and I don't know. We're using a different lighter today. It's a Zippo knockoff. I don't want to ruin no more Zippos until I see this go. So we're going to do it again. I had to light a cigarette first. I'm going to start the stopwatch now. You got 1 cup of water, like I said, sitting at 71 degrees. Room temperature is 79. I'll kill the light so you can see it. And another problem, that cup that I used yesterday, turns out it was a double-walled cup. I didn't realize it. And that bing we heard during the test, that was the bottom popping downward. I accidentally made the same noise this morning whenever I was going over what I did wrong. I pushed in, and then I heard that bing again where it popped back the opposite direction. So I reached down inside and I started feeling around. Then I realized, it's a double-walled cup. So the gases in between was getting hotter, starting to expand. Second stupid thing I did. This is the Boy Scout cook pot. I meant to put the stupid lid on. Dadgummit. I swear to God. This is an indoor-outdoor thermometer, so I'm sure I can't do what others do. If I put that piece of plastic down in there and it goes to boil, I'm sure it'll ruin the sensor. But I just wanted to give you a start temperature on the water. It's 75 in the room now. Gee, lighter must be warming it up in here. Just kidding. Put that away. If I start seeing a runaway effect, I'm going to stop it. If it starts leaking out around the casing and stuff, I'm going to stop it because it does ruin the lighters. It did something to the wheel itself. Or where the flint comes up through, it might be making it, stick. And yes, there was some problem with the spring. Whenever I took the Zippo's spring out, and I took another Zippo and I took the spring and I took it out and just dropped it back in to see how far it would go. The brass was almost touching, and the one that I did that to, so it took the temper out. The other one, yep, there we go, we're getting a runaway. Oh shoot. I'll blow it, maybe it'll go away. Well, you know what? It's a cheap knockoff. I think I'm gonna let it ruin it. We got bubbles. Dead center there's bubbles. You know, the little tiny ones. Maybe it needs to be up even higher. I can actually make it lower. Hold on. I know I'm messing up the test. If I can get this out of here without spilling the water. Now I'll bring this down. Maybe I can keep it from getting runaway. Please, please, please. Straighten up. Copper. Yep, it ran away. burning all the way around the casing now. It's a freaking flamethrower. Oh, brother. That's worse. That's worse than the Zippo did. And all we got was flames in the middle. 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Oh, brother. I don't even think I'm going to post this.